How to fix Playable not showing on YouTube. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when the Playable option is not showing on YouTube. First, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if you see the option. The Playable feature only appears on newer app versions. Next, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Try New Features. Scroll down and check if the Playables feature is available for your account. If you see it, tap Join to enable it. After joining, close the YouTube app and reopen it. The Playables tab should now appear on your homepage or under the YouTube menu. If you don't see the feature yet, don't worry. YouTube is rolling it out slowly to users around the world. You can try clearing cache and data from your phone's YouTube app to refresh updates faster. To do that, go to your phone's settings, find YouTube under Apps, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. Reopen YouTube and check again. If you're using an older phone or YouTube version, try logging in from another device or on desktop. Sometimes Playables appear there first. And that's it. Now you know how to fix